Hearing your own voice on Discord and it's driving you crazy? Let's fix it in under 60 seconds. First, open Discord on your computer. Click the small gear icon at the bottom left to open user settings. In the left menu, click Voice and Video. At the top, check your input device and output device. Set your input device to your real microphone or headset mic, not stereo mix or any virtual device. Set your output device to your headphones or speakers, and avoid using the same device set as a recording loopback. Now scroll down and use the mic test. Speak into your mic. You should not hear yourself through Discord in real time. If you still hear yourself, the echo is probably from Windows mic monitoring, not Discord. On Windows, right-click the speaker icon on your taskbar, then open Sound Settings. Open the recording devices or microphone properties for the mic you use in Discord. In the Listen tab, make sure Listen to this device is unchecked, then click Apply. Go back to Discord and run the mic test again. Talk normally and listen. Your voice should no longer play back in your ears. That's it. You stopped hearing yourself on Discord. Save these settings, jump back into your call, and enjoy echo-free audio.